Oh, you're a rebel. He loves you.
To me, and I'm so happy to be back here. My name is Raja Kumari. Sorry that my sorry ain't Indian enough. When America don't love me 'cause I'm Indian as.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vlog. This is Kurt Freeman and we are heading to Hunter Hood. Ekran kita pareng mo menta singi langsung pareng ma menta singi lagi lawan show ngi menta nang ni neru na ying wan show. Siya invite siya kanik Royal Enfield. Got invited by Royal Enfield for the Hunter Hood happening here in Shillong Polo Ground. I'm here with Sujit and bayar sedien. Bro jungi menta singi ngi lek ngi shot. Ba bayar un shot haban dohon ngan sering people bershot ba bayar ma tip top. Sepikai terus nalukut di long lupa ban nomor ban rebel in shot ada pertat ngam tip show metal guy tamaun headbang sibir korba ya takadaw ngin saya page kalong kumno. Watch this video till the very end. I'll show you what do we have in our Hunter Hood Shillong edition. So Shillong edition का Hunter Hood कैसा है हम दिखाएगा पूरा शुरू से क्या क्या खाएगा क्या क्या पिएगा क्या क्या नचेगा. Aduh bukut video pe tip top. Nilai dan ni hajan polo. This is Polo Ground. Hit subscribe. निकल जाएगा तो.
हाँ आप अगर हमने आया ना आप इधर में बाद में गेट में आओ.
ठीक है आ जाना.
हाँ
पास मिलेगा ma sulu ni phong deka vest bike tama yat kejap sudah helmet dan bike dan kena urung tu ni na urung naik bos nang ni tip top hari Pak drop is di stay lah ring hiya ni. Should have asked them to drop there, ne? Akhirnya, we're not used to the VIP treatment, man. And this bodyguard also is not saying anything. Julian show tak kawan konsert pun ni. Hala. Sam Julian show penuan konsert. Oh, di dekatnya ni, heng. Kita, tadi graffiti kita ini keren lah. Oh, bang ni. यहाँ में ऐसा नज़ारा है अब देखिए. Oh hey lah, bro. Just outside the entrance. Ano tu ni? Saus. Okay. And habis dulu.
Dia siapa ground jaga media.
Okay.
He is just the GA ground bus.
Hai.
Dia kamu iwi brio lah pendeng bro lagi.
Access.
Your access ya kan ke area kan. Tapi bukan punya film orang kan.
Oh benar.
Tak di jangan.
Nilai je sih. Harus pada tak. Cek salah cek bro. Dah. Terus nak. Biar.
dah biru lah.
Hey, dulu. Biar. Ha kan? Cek bah tu bro, cek bah. Oh, gini gini bike hang ni dak pertat. Look at all the bikes. This is all about the Hunter. Nice. All right. Pengen nilai ayu hang ni mentah.
Hah?
Pengen nilai ayu mentah habis shot.
Iwat sana.
Apa nak kamdan rak bike jong hang ni.
Boleh ke baik biru asal sim.
Lo kadi bandan lang di shot lang ni gini hang ni. Ini lagi bike lagi dos jangi. Ini lagi mods beber. Also.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
What's your name? I forgot. Hello guys, I met him today.
Give it a follow.
Yes. And give him to follow.
Most importantly, her.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Alright, we're here inside the Hunter Hood and this is what we have. I am not sure what to look for. Oh, skateboard भी है. Oh, चलो skateboard देख लेते हैं. अब skateboard शाख नियात. Oh. Woo. Like this graffiti. Bro. Tas lem ni tas lem. Kena di. Menjai. Look. Di sweet. Ah, nice. Ah, layo beda kanjen dan ni. Nice. Kau pernah lihat nyam tak kali? Kau pernah lihat kali? Ana? Bro, saya ke best feel lah.
Kamu nak warna cakap try dia. Giron suruh snack.
Look, lada. Biar kan?
marah.
Oh, of course, believe. Look, how are you? I'm good. Hi. Nice. Good.
We have the food coupons for you.
All right.
So you can
Okay.
just access it, like basically go to the stall and give it to them and they
All right.
There's alcohol in the media room.
Okay, so will this be the same for us both? Okay, all right.
This is like the skateboarding ring. That's the main stage where all the music performances are happening.
Okay,
There is a custom motorcycle showcase over here.
all right.
And this is where the basketball ring is. This is
All
where
right.
the football ring is.
Okay.
And these are all of our hunters over here
All right.
in the at the entrance.
Yeah.
We're glad to have you here.
Thank you.
Have fun.
Thank you. Sure, I'll do that. Yeah.
Thank you.
Shoe skills, bro. Shoe skill. This is Mr. Joy, aka the Owl. Bendro you ni? Bendro you ni? Oh, khmat lah deh. Oh, this is Tiger. Nice. I'll be showing you around what do we have here. Let's see what else. Tapi pasangan Adin. Sak. Hahaha. Tu. Tu kan. Udi. Tu kan sak. You're deaf. So I'm representing Sons of the Hills Motorcycle Club. Udi. So this is the custom bike. Ooh la la. This is nice. Bagi ni hantar. Oh, nice one, bro. Hai, kamu tetap bang. Oh, hasya ofile bisa. Nice. Seperti keruat yang aku mau. Bro, betul hitam. Hard working guy. He does all these things. Oh, di syang ni jerang. Oh, di. Hai kali. Hai ta. Penthai bantu kamera hanai. Betul ai. Di skoi. Nice. Sweet lah. Ma. Snalang lem dia kau yang. Hey, thanks bro. Print no? Atai? Dah. Bro. Bro. Ya duty sini ya. Yes. Bro tu kedur nggak layonnya, kedur jangan mana ngebun tu. Handsome guy.
Start. Giron na bentang.
Lo hap siap nam mana?
Em.
Oh na yo kebat kita. Hana. Sisa sih. Let yo kebat kita. Mesti kau itu jangan apa tu? Nam mana? Hana. Adi hana. Thanks. Beli lah tu. Jadi siap lah. Pila ban ai kawang basketball. Ai bro, no. La fila de shoot namna na. Na fila shipet na shwan. Shoot ze, yo ya sepak tinggal lah. Ha? Sok pula leh ngai teh lah. Ayo.
Ini bikin football lah, kada football ni lah.
Ano? Oh nai.
Kada tu football.
Sok pula leh. Ayo, sini. Hey bro,
Bilang kelanya.
tip top. Jangan. Muslim.
Ya kai kata saya dos.
Hey, kayak gini. Beli juga ni.
So follow nga Instagram nga kerteng do Latino07. Ma bara kubleshibun ba
Apa kumda video ni po? Video Latino ni kumda ni. Apa kumda?
nga kwale Latino ba. Biarkan Pak.
Tetap.
Malaysia pun.
Bro, sini nani enak kamu?
Saya pet.
Let me show you around more. So you have the skateboarding there, you have the main stage. I was expecting more people, but maybe we'll have more of them coming. These are stalls here, wine stalls, all stalls, coffee stalls, and all the other stalls. Here are giant garments, you have hoodies. This is what we have, these are the hoodies. Ghost set, I don't know. Nice. And these are all Royal Enfield accessories and bags and caps and gloves and bikes. You don't give me stalls. Hangni repair kelaban yo. Oh, sundur na?
Transeffect.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you guys saw it. He's one of the most.
No. I'm not.
Okay, come here. We're gonna hold this.
Yeah, dude.
Black Falcon, Natalia, let's go.
Thank you guys.
Larong ngami ngawat ngami thui thao shu gibreu shinu gidan. Hey bro, come on. Jalan. Step down. Wabe, pesan. We have chicken wagon there. Ngonte mereka ini. Oh, kali ini ke bar. This is the bar. This is beer section. Kali ini ke stage. This is the stage. Oh yeah. We have a bike there on stage. This is giving very NERM vibe. More of these bike festival kind of thing. This is something that bikers like us would love. It is small, but we got a lot of the bikers and the biking community coming here. He perlok the one today, but hi.
Welcome to Hunter. What's it called? Hunter Hood.
You already forgot the name.
No, we are already in the hood. That's why I was saying like whether it's a Hunter Hood or Hunter Festival. Yeah. And we have Greg also from Black Falcons.
Yeah.
And we have our man Wazzy from
Oh.
Manipal. Yeah.
And Manipal.
Dude, nice. You man.
My friend, Kofi man.
Hey, nice to meet you. Ooh, you're adept. You're adept. Come on, Majoy. Ambil sisin. You're adept. Sure, bro, sure. Hey, bro. Let me spray paint something on this one. Cans, wrong, bro. Stay. Nice. What itu? Kinar na? Bayar. Oh sila. Ini apa? Ini apa? Yang akan? Sila kawai. Oh sila bro. Ngamti bela kabay menjoy. Dah ikan teliron siapa yang siap deh. Ông chơi cái lệ hey, bạn lệ tayar nè. Pre hey.
Em vì một phần thợ hiểu.
Delesha. Hey, saya kuat le. Shino. Tang sini mai, kum tu, nak tadi? Dalam tu pas saya bal.
Ai phina to shini bitta.
Wala le tang niru. Tak. Ni nai. Oh, ya dak bertat. Syuk bro. Syuk. Sini. Kau akan lihat ibu kamu dah? Sekarang dah?
Thank you so much.
Yes. All the best.
Ni bam no?
Dah ngelayan ni stall lang ni arteli kibingin bam. Alih.
Biar.
Bro.
Sikit lah, we datang kamera lah Aisyah bro.
Dan menurut ban. Oh, kuno. Hey. Dia mau tu aja. Oh, dan nanti sini kan ya? Wah. Oh, yes. So we have the coupons for the Momo guy. Ini di coupon Momo guy. Ini yung inyo nang ni. This kani kalong kum tiki jakai kendu ki bikers. Kami kani ke janlong kum ini ki NRM ki way. Ini ki bike festival ki way. Te kapher hi tama ajing sa kanang kwa bani show some bike action kind of thing, stunt bikes and all that.
One plate of anything.
One plate of anything. Chicken fillet, chicken laughing.
Try this. It's good.
What is this?
It's shafale, fried momo. You can say that.
Fried momo.
Momo pikuan eh?
Ya, mbah bilangan ni nga sudah sukadang kualin nyo siyang. Kala kenjakun. Kanang kwa bani kini ki baile stunt bikes yure. You know something even come long. Some kind of native yal adon maner ngam tip taman Ray. I was looking more of bike stunts, tricks and stuff like that because it's a bike event. It would have been fun naman yun ba?
Iya kan? Kuat.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, di. Tadi kong chip rich. Good. Mabro! Sihat dulu kamera.
Sudah pikir ya?
Jom dia momo wei.
Bam.
Main mam dah.
Bam sih bam.
Jom sih.
Tahan mati beja.
Jom. Kalau wei. Kiblas in the house. Oh, so nice. Perform ni, ada perform ni.
Dia di tips.
Oh, mana? Mentah ni?
Kom hem hot sesprang.
Ah, nice.
Of you roll and feel bro.
By default lah. Wave ni?
Namtip.
Pan keru lah.
Pan lah.
Pan keru wave ni. Okay, pan keru and ini. This sweet potato and
Mushroom.
okay. Tingin ni persangkai long no.
Bang.
Cep tak?
Doesn't make sense.
It tastes different, but I don't know if I can say it tastes good or tastes bad. It just tastes different.
Nah. Makanan, chicken bangan.
Rebel is coming. The Picano Soil Kataka. The performance of Rebel. Oh, di lain nyom bro. Huh?
It's nice to see so many amazing people here tonight.
Room business. Sakmat bay room business sakmat.
We did a very long tour last year. How many of my fans here? You guys are amazing. So we did a lot of northeastern cities. We did Aizawl, we did Imphal, we did Arunachal Pradesh, Pasigat, and now we're back in Shillong. And I grew up in Shillong, okay? Nga thought ko, Banar. And this is where I belong. Snap! Shalom City, what is we never did it for them. 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 For the both of us, it really helped us.
Rebel, he loves you.
This song, so
We just performed it at Rolling Loud.
exactly.
Chalo. Oi! Lale brok ni kan. Dulu lah. Bro.
Royal Enfield dan Marquis.
Belum. Jangan. Aslan juga dulu suyu bro. Biang TikTok. Haji Syafir bila ada mendalang minta ya Bornsan.
Mami de. Mamsnan sa sportsman. Kuayo.
Hah? Nakuha niya kapat. Bro. Ano dula menit nak. Hey, hindi na menit.
Ngamut pa nga kumbong niya.
Oh ni unit de jong chicken wagon de beats everything.
We have a lot of projects coming up.
5 menit. Too good. Yes, smile. Deh. Biang mah tak light lagi kembu. Sak apa biang mah. Poin pelak. Bisa mit.
Dia lah dia bersama meruai lah mah.
Guys, ngilai dep nanit ngimul banapi kong Raja Kumari, but I think it's getting late, so ano tang event na sini? Kay babangtam. Kay babangtam. Chicken wagon.
Chicken wagon.
Ngakwa bani kasi blood bikin ya tem kin yarwai tama kin yarwai ngam tem.
I'll be gone. There were challenges for
Raja Kumari.
I see you all coming on like the fog. Hate is gone. I'm refusing to let up beat up like it's Ramadan. Only threes had See, I see a lot of my fans. You guys mean a lot to me. And I'm so happy to be back here. My name is Raj Kumari. My parents are in the house tonight. Give it up for my parents. This record is about being who you are. Identity, duality, it doesn't matter. You can be two things at once. You can be whatever you want to be. Sorry that my sorry ain't Indian enough. When America don't love me cause I'm Indian as. Let's go! This song is called NRI. Where my hip hop heads in the house? Hot people, let's see them up. Let's go, let's go. Hands up, let's go. Ha! Ha! That's why y'all still in the bed. I bust up and take the best. Trying to put a wall between us. Pakistan, culture, diet, samosa, 2 grams. Cool, he knows stolen. The jewel of the ocean. No country for we ain't Indian enough. In America, don't love me cause Indian as fuck. Do you even know who you are? Tell me, what are you made of? What you afraid of? Hater, cause I let you tear me apart. Show you what I am made of. Is this what you're afraid of? Hater. Seen them on the comments, I ain't proud enough to comment. Guess I gotta get tan so I can rep a bunch. Gave my daddy options. I rep y'all for the concept. Don't live it for the content. Try to pillage off your circle, put me on. Do you even know who you are? Tell me, what are you made of? Hater, 'cause I let you.
Raja Kumari. Nice.
Amazing. Say cheese, okay, one more time, ready? Got you.
Ada ini 11 menit. Nila mi. Mi ano? Nanti. Bang eh. Chuan di umso. Bisa nang melang kan? Harus bet. Hadu nak latrek. Yang Tracy tamu bro.
Natulah yang itu istai, yang itu istai.
Bro.
Yang ni lah yang.
Ya, ha. Chalo. Dan like tilas ni sunoro to. That was Hunterhood. Thank you. Chalo. Chalo. Ayah क्यों नहीं? Flop show. Ka show ka best bahi ka abyang hi. Ka biang ka show jong ka Jingruai ka performance jong Rebel ka performance jong Raja Kumari. I expect mendan baik stone maki win maki mendan, which is again ta lele.